Right, well this is March the 1st. They're pouring the Peaceway Bridge over the 215, and this is a one-time thing that probably I'll never see again, which is the 215 shutdown between Tropicana and Peaceway. This bridge is due to go into public use as of the 4th of July of 2025. But I thought that I'd come down here and get a few images of the crew working on the bridge and preparing to pour the surface of the bridge, which is what's basically been going on since 9 o'clock on February 28th, which was last night, until 9 o'clock March the 1st, which is today. It's quite a project. It's disrupted the traffic around our area of Peaceway for the past year to 2 years, really. It's fascinating being an engineer watching civil construction go ahead, especially in something a big deal like this. I mean, there's a lot of bridges over the 215, but they don't happen every day. So anyway, there it is. The work continues. There's no pouring going on right now. There is, evidence of the shutdown. Those are the side parallel lanes to the 215 in between Tropicana and Flamingo. Right now the guys are basically laying down the steel on the top of the bridge, getting it parallel. It looks like they've got plastic sheeting over the top of the bridge, preparation for the pour, which will come probably later today. It's about almost 10 o'clock in the morning on March the 1st. Anyway, I might come back down here later this evening before the sun sets and see where we are compared to where we are right with this video. See what kind of progress they make during the day. It's a big pour.